Well, today I'm gonna take off this fascia board, but I gotta take off the trim first. I still gotta take the remnants of this wall down, but this plywood has been a pain in the neck, so I want to deal with that now. Oh, I forgot to bring my work clothes, so I'm not gonna work that long. Is this my shirt? No. At least I don't think so, no. Anyways, less talking, more working. Let's have at it. This frame has seen better days. It broke on this joint here, where they joined it in manufacture. Alright. This one has a cable going through it, which I don't want to cut. I don't want to break the frame, the door frame here. And I need to cut it out without cutting the cable wires. This little part right here is giving me grief. Heavier than I thought. Ow. Oh, this looks absolutely lovely. I don't feel like dealing with that. The next thing to do. A couple of nails with broken heads. Here. Oh, there's a cut there. Maybe I can get a better angle here. What a pain in the neck. I know I'm jerking this around and I could lose my balance. So I'm holding on to stuff. I gotta move the phone. Wasn't expecting that. Oh, there's caulking all around this window, which is a good thing. It also means pain in the neck. Let's see how much trouble we're in. Nothing there, nothing there. There's a little piece there I gotta deal with. And I gotta cut a hole here so these wires can get out. And I just cut this cable. Son of a... knew that was going to happen. This is 3 feet high. Okay, now, just to keep anybody who's not supposed to be going in there, going in. Okay, I want to cut up these pieces. I'm going to save these just in case. Something's stopping it. Oh, that solves that. This isn't a bad shape. All right, well, that's it for today. The battery ran out, but that whole framing and this framing is ready to come down. And then the fiberboard, I just nailed there so little kids can't get through. And the door is still on, but that will be next. So for next time, hit the like button and subscribe, or otherwise I'll come to your house and in about 5 years, I will have torn it all down, just like I'm doing to mine. And that's a promise. So that was exactly what I didn't want to happen. Luckily, my elbow was there.